Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our session on the Comprehensive Guide to the Immigration Process. Today, we'll be diving deep into the various procedures, legal terminology, eligibility criteria, common challenges, and expert tips to help you navigate your application successfully. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, this presentation aims to equip you with the knowledge and insights you need for a smooth immigration journey. Let's get started. When we talk about the immigration process, it's important to understand that it involves navigating a complex web of laws, regulations, and procedures which can differ significantly from one country to another and even based on a specific type of case. One of the main steps is submitting the necessary applications, which often means filling out detailed forms and providing supporting documents. After that, applicants typically go through background checks and may be required to attend interviews to verify information and assess eligibility. Finally, a crucial part of the process is waiting for the official decision, which can sometimes take a while and requires patience. Each of these steps plays a vital role in successfully moving through the immigration journey. Let's break down some key legal terms to make them easier to understand. First, a visa is essentially a permit that allows someone to enter a country for a specific reason, like tourism, work, or study, and for a set period of time. Next, a green card is what gives someone authorization to live permanently in the United States. It's a step beyond a temporary visa. Permanent residency means having legal status that lets you live and work in a country indefinitely without the need to renew visas constantly. Asylum is a form of protection given to people who are escaping danger or persecution in their home country, ensuring they can stay safe. Finally, deportation is a formal process by which a person is removed from a country, usually when they violated immigration laws or their status has expired. Understanding these terms is crucial for navigating immigration issues. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you begin with the initial application, where you'll complete the necessary forms and gather all preliminary documents. This stage is about ensuring you have everything ready and accurate. Next is the submission phase, where your application is sent to the correct immigration office or embassy. It's important to send it to the right place to avoid delays. After submission, the authorities review your documentation. They check to make sure everything is complete and valid. This step is crucial because any missing or incorrect information can slow things down. Following this, there's a background check and security screening, which helps confirm your eligibility and ensures safety for all parties involved. Finally, there's the interview and decision stage. This could be a personal meeting or a virtual one, where your case is assessed in more detail. At this point, the decision can be approval, denial, or sometimes it might ask for additional information. Throughout all these steps, paying close attention to detail and responding promptly makes a big difference in the outcome. When it comes to eligibility, there are several key criteria we need to consider. First, the reason for immigration must be valid. This could be for work, study, family reunification, or asylum. It's important that the purpose aligns with immigration guidelines. Next, character and legal background play a crucial role. Applicants must demonstrate good moral character and have no serious criminal records. Health is another important factor. Meeting specific health requirements, including vaccinations and medical exams, is necessary to proceed. Financial stability is also evaluated, either through the applicant's own resources or sponsorship, to ensure they won't become a public charge. Lastly, common barriers can arise, such as past immigration violations or certain health issues, which may lead to ineligibility or require further scrutiny. Understanding these criteria helps in preparing a strong application. When preparing your application, the first thing you need to do is gather all the required documents. This includes important items like passports, birth certificates, and any supporting letters that may strengthen your case. Next, you'll want to carefully complete all the application forms. Accuracy is crucial here, so make sure the information is consistent throughout every document. After that, include any supplementary evidence, such as employment letters, financial statements, or proof of relationship. These help provide a fuller picture to the reviewers. Once you have everything, organize all your materials in a logical order. This makes it easier for immigration officials to review your application efficiently. Finally, Take the time to double-check every detail. Even minor errors can cause delays or complications, so thoroughness at this stage is key to a smooth process. First, it's essential to identify the correct immigration office or consulate where you need to file your application. Filing at the right location ensures your paperwork is processed without unnecessary delays. Next, choose the most reliable delivery method. This could be submitting through official online portals or sending documents via certified mail, both of which provide proof of delivery. After submission, make sure to keep copies of all your application materials and any receipts you receive. This documentation is crucial if you need to reference your case later. Regularly track the status of your application using official tracking tools to stay informed about any updates. Finally, if you receive requests for additional information or invitations to interviews, respond promptly. Timely responses help avoid any holdups in the processing of your application. When applying, there are several common challenges that people often face. Processing delays can occur, especially when there's a high volume of applications or if the paperwork is incomplete. Sometimes applications get denied because crucial documents are missing or the eligibility criteria haven't been met. Legal mistakes, like filing documents incorrectly or misunderstanding immigration rules, can also cause major setbacks. To overcome these hurdles, it's important to prepare thoroughly before submitting any application. Consulting with a legal professional can provide valuable guidance and help avoid common errors. And if immigration authorities request additional information, responding quickly and accurately can make a big difference in keeping the process on track. Finally, staying informed about any changes in immigration policies is key. When you keep up to date, you can adapt your approach and ensure compliance, which significantly improves your chances of successful outcome. When we talk about the timeline, the first thing to keep in mind is that the initial review itself can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. This varies depending on the complexity of the case and workload. Next, background checks and interviews are common steps that can add several more months to the overall process. These stages are crucial for thoroughness, but do contribute to extending the timeline. Delays can also occur due to factors like security clearances, additional verification steps, or even administrative backlogs, all of which are beyond the applicant's control. Overall, it's important to expect a multi-stage process that often lasts from 6 months to over a year. Knowing this timeline helps applicants plan better and manage their expectations throughout the process. To increase your chances of success, it's crucial to maintain eligibility by avoiding any legal issues and keeping all your records current. Next, it helps to organize your documents systematically so you can find what you need quickly whenever it's required. Always keep copies of every correspondence and submission. This way, you have a clear record of everything. If you're ever unsure about any part of the process, don't hesitate to consult with qualified immigration attorneys or accredited representatives. Lastly, stay informed about updates and changes in immigration laws and policies is key. Being proactive and managing your case carefully can make a big difference in achieving a positive outcome. To wrap up, we've covered the essential foundations of the immigration process, such as important terminology, the step-by-step procedures, eligibility criteria, how to prepare your application, common challenges, expected timelines, and valuable expert tips. It's crucial to always rely on official government resources and websites to get the most up-to-date and accurate information. When cases become complicated or you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to seek professional legal assistance. Finally, thorough preparation. Keeping track of your application's progress and responding quickly to any requests will make the process much smoother. By taking careful and informed steps, you'll feel more confident navigating your immigration journey.